Good evening, everyone. You are welcome to Naris Academy. And this is the first time I come across my channel. Please do well to like, share, and subscribe to this particular channel so you won't miss out any update. So, the reason why you click on this video is that you want to learn about clipping. So, in this particular video, I explain the basics and what you need and how to get started with clipping. So, all I just need from you is just sit back and watch the video very end so you can understand everything about clipping. So, and how to get started. Now, the first thing I'll first be explaining clipping. You all know clipping. Basically, what clipping means. Clipping means when you are transforming a long form video into a short form video and posting it on social media handles. So it's just a very straightforward meaning. There's nothing complicated about it. So this clipping update is the update that is low key up that is paying seriously. You can search on YouTube now. Uh, when I search on YouTube, you see that you don't have enough information about this clipping because it's an update that is not much saturated. It's not a update that is much saturated. So if you should start this type of update is a long-term update and it's update that is paying very well. It's not one update that is paying pennies. By the time you just need for you to just master the basics, understand the whole process. That's only how you can succeed in this. If you don't understand the whole process, you're just rushing everything. You don't understand everything. You won't succeed in this particular clipping business. So let me get started with the next explanation. So since we understand this clipping now, so how can we get started with clipping? Now the first thing you need to know about clipping, there are two types. There are two ways in which you can clip. You can clip towards monetization. What I mean that you clip, you are transforming long form video into short video and put on social media handles like your YouTube, TikTok, and so for you to monetize that channel. That's the reason why I'm clipping. And you can clip for brands. So those brands, you are going to go to some site. Is that site that act as a middleman between you and the brand? So is that you? Yeah, all you just need to do is for you to just clip that person video or that any content they give you and put that content on your own social media handles, and those views you are getting is transforming into money. So you don't need it's not for you to maybe you should have maybe on until when you have 10,000 followers, when you have 1,000,000 views, that way you can qualify. No, it what just matters in just clipping for brand is your views. So that's why this business is very unique. It's only your views that matter, and there are some certain things you need to know, because if you didn't know it, you just be getting everything wrong. So that's why I designed a course that has explained every single you need to know, the mistake you need to avoid, everything. I've explained your course. Even in the course, you can check it in my bio. So let's move further. So the next thing, since we understand the two ways in which you can clip, you can clip towards monetization and you can clip for brands. So the next thing we need to know is we need to know the kind of niche you want to dive into, because before you can even start clipping, you must know the kind of niche you need to dive into. If it's motivation niche, if it's relationship, if it's finance niche, because different niche is not all niche that I can. It's not video. That's if you are clipping towards monetization. It's not video you can monetize. You must know the kind of niche. You must do your own research. Know the kind of niche you can monetize. Don't just posting random videos. You must know the kind of niche that is monetizable. So that's it. All these things I explained everything in details in the course. So you must know the kind of niche you must dive into. So after knowing your niche, the kind of so the next thing is to create your YouTube account or TikTok. The major thing you are using two major accounts. You are using the YouTube and you are using TikTok account. So all you just need to do is go to your, either because you are using UK, you cannot use Nigerian TikTok or any country you are using UK or US. So all these things I've explained in the course. How to create your UK and US, I've already explained everything in the course. So I cannot be explaining, because if I start to break everything down here, this video will be too long. So that's why I make a comprehensive course that will explain everything in details there. So if you just need it, you go and check my bio, you'll see the link to get the course in my bio. So that's the reason why I say we need a UK and US TikTok. Because the reason why you need a UK and US TikTok, because some views required to be is not some views. Most of views need to be coming from those top one countries. Top one. That I say you need some protocol you have to follow. It must be coming from all these top one countries like UK, US, and Canada, Australia, and so on. So and Germany. So all those your views majorly should be coming for those countries, and some might need to come from this less country like India, New Zealand, Indonesia, Philippines, and so on. So you just follow as the campaign tell you. Just make sure you read the campaign instruction. So the next thing, when you just need to get your, if you don't have a TikTok account, you can message me. I will help you create a TikTok account with a little fee. So and your YouTube account, when you want to create your YouTube account, just make sure you create it. First day you create it, make sure do you just create a fresh Gmail. After creating a fresh Gmail, make sure you warm up your account. What I mean by warming up your account, that any kind of, if it's motivational niche you want to dive into, open your YouTube, start the new gym you just create, is to switch it to that new gym on YouTube. Start watching motivational, start searching for motivational content. Do that for 2 to 3 days or 4 days. Then now create your channel. So after you create your channel, you watch like you watch videos on like one maybe just 1 to 2 days. Then you start posting. These are the better ways to warm up your account. Then you start, when you start posting, so add, make your title more optimize everything just very okay. So that one has gone. So make sure you have a YouTube account. So whenever you have a YouTube account, the next thing for you to do is to start joining campaigns. So that's the main thing I'll be explaining now. So the next thing you do, I'll be giving you this particular site. It's called Clipster. So this kind of what do you call it, clipping site is okay for beginners. It's okay for beginners. So there are a lot of things you can clip here. So with your YouTube and your UK or USD, you can start clipping with this. All you just need to do is you just follow instructions and you come and start work immediately. So there's no need for you to be waiting this thing. So with time, you can, if you don't have money for the course, but it's better for you to get the course so you can understand the full this thing. But if you don't have money here for the course, you can come here and start with this one. At least start with this one. The little information I've given to you, so you can start with this one. You just create your social media account, warm it up very well. Warm it up very well. So make sure the account is very active, and just post every views like you to start getting views. So it's just your views that matter. Some are just leading to requirement like having maybe like 50 followers, having 200 followers, but that doesn't matter. Other one little, just little things. When you start posting now, you know what I'm talking about. So that are just little things. The major things there is you following the whole protocol, and you do the right thing. Unless you just get everything wrong, you might get this later on. The later reject your earnings. So those are the things you have to follow. So and I've explained everything in that course. So for you not to avoid any kind of mistake and so on. So for this one, you can start with this one. Is a very good site to start with. So you just come here. I'll drop this link to this particular site in the comment section. I'll just go there. You click on link, you direct you here. Then you sign in or sign up. Just sign up when you, that's the dashboard. So you just come in, sign up with your Gmail. So when you sign up with your Gmail, you have something like this dashboard. So these are called campaigns. These are campaigns you are going to join. Now, when you take a look at this particular campaign, this is a dual clipping YouTube short. Can you see YouTube logo? When looking at the shorts here, you already see the kind of platform they want. Like this one now, there's only YouTube for this one, and this one is TikTok. What they mean by this thing, they have specific audience they are targeting. So all this kind of one, you have to be extra careful with them, unless they'll reject your views. You have to be extra careful. All this one is having this kind of global and human logo. That they need a specific audience. Now let's take a look at this one. Now can you see, for 1 million views they are paying $2,000. That means for 1,000 views is $2 per 1,000 views. So can you see it? Whenever you have 1,000 views, you have gained $2. So guys, it's only clip from the content. They will give you content folder. You join their Discord group, they give you content folder. So it's from that content. Some might tell you that you should go to their YouTube or any kind of site to clip go and download that video and clip from that particular video. Someone might give you a drive containing the videos. You go there and start clipping. So these are all their requirements. So you must have your own so. So maximum submission per account 150 per day, per day 35. See minimum followers, you don't need minimum followers. Minimum views for earnings. Can you see this one? What they mean by minimum views for for earning? That they mean that whenever you have up to 170 1750 views, that's when your views will qualify. If one of your short does not enter this amount, your views cannot be qualified, you cannot earn for that views. So all these are just little things for you to get if your account is very active and you follow what I've said. So for minimum engagement means like and comment must be at least for all your views 1%. So that when you are done, before you even start campaign, come and connect your account, connect all your social media account here. Come to connect your account, connect your account here, connect it, connect. When you click on connect, use this bio verification, then continue with it. So after connecting your account, so after clipping, all you just need to do is just click on submit, then copy your, just click on share, paste the link here, then submit it. So you see all your campaign here. You see it here, my campaigns. So you see it here, and you see everything, one that's active in review, pending, and one that's about to pay out. So that's a basic way for you to start with this. So if you need maximum information about this, you can just come to my bio and click on the course. You just see it, the course Larynx Clippers. So you see there, you should get the course. When you get the course, you understand the full process, how to start clipping, everything you need to know, anything you need, what you need to know to avoid mistake and so on. So you will know everything. So that's just it about clipping. Just a very simple thing and very easy process. By the time you just follow what I've said, you get everything right. So that's what I have for you today. Bye for now. And don't forget to subscribe and like and share this particular video. Thank you very much. Bye for now.